Welcome to our channel. Today we how to invest in Snap Incorporated, complete guide step by step clearly. To invest in Snap Incorporated, start by understanding the company's core business. Snap Inc. is primarily known for its social media platform, Snapchat. Research Snap's recent performance and market trends. Analyze financial reports to gauge profitability and growth potential. Visit a reputable financial news website for up-to-date information. Consider following credible analysts and investment professionals who focus on Snap Inc. Choose a brokerage platform that suits your investment style. Open an account on the selected brokerage platform. Complete any necessary verification and funding processes. Look up Snap Inc. by its stock ticker symbol, SNAP. Review the stock's current price and performance metrics. Determine the amount you wish to invest based on your budget and risk tolerance. Utilize stop-loss or limit orders if you want to set buy thresholds. Place your order to purchase Snap Inc. shares. Monitor your investment regularly to stay informed about company developments. Stay updated on market conditions that may affect Snap. Adjust your investment strategy as necessary based on performance. Consider diversifying your portfolio to mitigate risk. Review your investment goals periodically to ensure they align with your strategy. Engage with analyst reports and news about Snap Inc. for informed decisions. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.